Hello friends, today we will be discussing benefits and limitations of in-the-ear hearing aid. I am Dr. Prabha Unadkat, founder of Quality Hearing Care India. In my 35 years of practice, the one question which I invariably encountered for any person of any age needing hearing aid, and that is, can I have invisible hearing aid? The answer to this question is it depends on various factors, and today we'll be discussing in detail, are you a right candidate for this kind of hearing aids? And I hope by the end of this presentation you will get an answer to your questions. There are many types of hearing aids available in the market. The traditional ones have been behind the ear. They are extremely efficient and have been on ears for a long time, but they are visible even from a distance, making you feel incredibly conscious about it, and also it impacts your confidence. That is where in-the-ear hearing aid comes to your rescue. Yes, you have understood it right. In-the-ear means the hearing aid which sit inside the ear. So they are practically invisible. Also they are colored with a natural skin tone, making it practically undetectable. Let's look at the benefits of this hearing aid. The most important benefit of this hearing aids is the aesthetic appeal that is there, which you are looking for. There are other benefits also. Since the hearing aid is sitting inside the ear, the microphone is also inside the ear and it receives the sound, which is in a natural position, which gives a better quality of sound and also better perception. Additionally, it also gives a better high frequency. Being lightweight and small, they are easy to manage. They are also easy to insert, very easy to use with a telephone. And it is also good for people who perspire a lot because they are not affected by a perspiration. Let's look at the limitations of these hearing aids. If you have a severe hearing loss, you are not a good candidate for this kind of hearing aids. If you have a discharging ear or a complex ear canal, then also you are not a good candidate for this kind of hearing aids. Some people find a difficult blocking sensation as they are sitting inside the ear and block the ear completely. If you have a sensitive skin, you might find irritability of the skin also. Since they are sitting inside the ear, they tend to get blocked with a wax very frequently, and you need to clean it very well and also change the filter. If you find this as challenging, then you should be careful in selecting these hearing aids. They have a small battery compartment and also smaller battery. So people with difficulty in vision and dexterity issue find it difficult. They tend to break when they fall very easily. They are also not available in the rechargeable format. So far we discussed in general about the in-the-ear hearing aids. Now let's see what are the styles in this. They are IIC, that is invisible in the canal hearing aid, CIC, that is completely in the canal hearing aid. These two hearing aids are really very small and practically invisible. They use small batteries, but you are not a good candidate for these hearing aids if you have a more than mild to moderate hearing loss. They are not also connected directly to the Bluetooth. The other hearing aids are slightly larger, but also not so visible. They are ITC and CITE hearing aids. They are larger. They are also suitable for greater hearing losses up to severe hearing loss. They can be made available in various forms, and they are also can be connected directly to the Bluetooth. In addition to this regular style of in-the-ear hearing aid, Signia has come out with a ready-to-fit in-the-ear hearing aids. They are tiny devices which can be fitted inside your ear using the domes which are suitable to your ear size and your hearing loss. They do not need any customization and can be fitted readily. All this inside the ear hearing aids need customization. That means you have to take a measurement of the ear canal. And for a very good fit of a hearing aid in this style, it is absolutely essential that these measurements are taken accurately in terms of fitting and in terms of depth of insertions. And whatever additional things that have to be incorporated is very clearly defined before the customization of hearing aids. And at Quality Hearing Care, we take care of these factors very well, so you get an excellent fit with this kind of hearing aids. If you found this video added some value to your information, please subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Till that, take care and thank you.